Ready to unlock a world of communication possibilities for your business? Let's dive into how to sign up for Telnyx and gain access to their powerful communication services like VoIP and SMS. First, head over to Telnyx.com in your web browser. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to the Sign Up form here. Enter your email address, your full name, and create a strong, secure password. Be sure to choose a password that you'll remember but is difficult for others to guess. Now, carefully read through the Telnyx terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've understood and agreed to the terms, check the box to indicate your consent. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Telnyx will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, and find the email from Telnyx. Click the verification link within the email to confirm your email address. This will redirect you back to the Telnyx website, confirming that your email has been successfully verified. Congratulations! You are now signed up for Telnyx. Take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available features and services. Telnyx offers extensive documentation and support resources to help you get started. Explore these resources to learn how to configure your account, purchase phone numbers, and build your communication solutions. Now you can start building